Alright guys, what's up? It's Nick from 4 Seasons Expedition. Today, I'm going to be cleaning the interior of my GX470. Now I haven't made any videos about this car yet. I've been kind of just picking it apart and driving the heck out of it in the past 2 months. Today, I'm going to give it a little TLC and clean the interior. I have yet to clean the interior of this thing in the past 2.5 months, 3 months that I've owned it. So today I'm going to be using just like your normal household stuff like window cleaner and vacuum and all that stuff to clean out the inside, but I wanted to condition the leather today just because it's kind of got that plasticky feel, and I want to restore it back to normal. So in order to do that, I ordered some Chemical Guy stuff from Amazon that arrived today. I'll be showing you the products, giving you kind of like a little bit of a review, short-term review, because I'm going to use it and then give it some time, and then I'll give you guys like a real long-term review later on. But today I'm just going to get all the crap out of here. I got a lot of dirt, a lot of grime from all the snowboard trips and off-roading that I've done in the past 2 months, and you're going to see how dirty it is. It pains me for you guys to see my car this dirty. It is an off-road car, but it's also my daily driver, and I want to keep my daily driver clean. So you're going to see how dirty it is, and then you're going to see before and after review on some Chemical Guys products, and just a cool video of me cleaning my car real quick, some montages, some reviews. Should be good. So I'm gonna set my camera up right here. You're gonna see me clean out my car. Gotta get my snowboard out and all the crap, and then I'll check back in a minute. So it's kind of hard to see, it's kind of dark, but you can see some grime right there. Not terrible. The mats I can't really help. They're pretty much like a whitish tannish, and when it's muddy out and rainy out all the time, it's hard to keep those clean. But you can see right here, like the plastic, it's got oh, this is also messed up. They hid this when I bought it with paint, and now that I've been sliding in and out with my lift on, it's cracking and all that stuff. So I see in the near future me getting a new seat cover. So, but it's got kind of like just a plasticky feel, not really that great comfortable wise. Got all this crap in here, baseball glove, hats, just dirt all up in there, just nasty stuff, right? Alright, so as you can see, the leather is very plasticky feeling. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but to the touch, it's very slippery. So I'm gonna clean that, but before I do that, I need to clean the car out. I need to get all my crap out of it, all the dirt out of it, vacuum it out, clean the windows, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna check back in when I'm done with all that stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys up right here. I'm gonna start a time lapse, and I'll check back in with you guys as soon as I'm done with that. Let's do it. Alright, so here we go. Here's the products that I got. So first off, I got some leather cleaner. There we go, it's in focus. Leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. What else we got in this box? I got some microfiber towels that are specifically made for cleaning leather or fabric. Specifically leather. So we got those. Then we got a horsehair brush. Now the reason they use horsehair is because it's soft and it's not going to scratch your interior. So we got that. And then we got these applicators. These are going to be used for putting on, oh geez, this leather conditioner right here. Get in focus, there we go. This leather conditioner. So that's going to be put on by those applicators. Sorry, it's not in focus. So that's going to be put on by those applicators, and then I'll show you how to do these step by step. Why are you having such a hard time focusing? Not cool. And then the last bit I have is this all-purpose cleaner, and it's also pineapple scented, which is very pleasant. That's probably going to be the last thing I'll do, but we'll see. So I got all these products down here. I'm excited to use them, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so now we're in the car. First thing I'm going to be using is this leather cleaner. So I got my camera set up right here. Sorry if it's a little weird angle, you're not going to be able to see my face, but it's a very small space to work with in this car. So I'm going to clean this leather first. I'm going to be using this horsehair brush to work it in. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm gonna be using that, spray it on the leather, work it in, and then, oh, I just found a quarter. Score. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna work it in and then wipe it off with one of these microfiber cloths that I was talking about. So I'm gonna get to it and I'm gonna show you kind of along the way what I'm doing. So there we go. So it said to shake it. So I don't want to shake it up too much where it gets foamy, but okay, sweet. So I'm just gonna start up here. Got that going. Alright, sweet. So I just got that rubbed in. It foamed up pretty good, so now I'm just going to wipe it off with one of these microfibers. Alright, so already just cleaning this top part of the seat, I can already feel like it feels just a tad bit better. It looks cleaner. It didn't leave any weird residue like most cleaners do. So far I really like this product. So I'm going to work on the bottom of the seat and then the headrest. Like they say in the video on Chemical Guy's website, the headrest is going to get real oily just because of all the oils in your hair. So I'm going to finish this seat and then I'll check back in when I'm on the conditioner part. So see you in a sec. Alright, sweet. So I just got this leather cleaner from the garage and now it says to just apply on here. In the video they show on their website, it just kind of shows them doing like 3 little lines. Applying a little bit goes a long way, as they say. So I'm going to trust their word. I'm going to put it on and see how it works. So I just shook it up pretty well. Now I'm just going to do a little line like that, a little line like that, and put some up here. I'm just going to work it in like that. Try to get it all in the cracks. Oh, it smells so good. For some reason it reminds me of Home Depot. It reminds me of Home Depot smell. Is that weird? I don't know. But so I'm rubbing it in. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I just got done wiping down the rest of the car with that pineapple scented interior cleaner. I actually really like it. I don't know if I was supposed to or not, but I was also using it on a little bit of fabric, just in like some weird places. There's some weird like little like grease marks and stuff like that. So I just used it here and there. I didn't use it on like any obvious areas. And it worked pretty good. I really like it, and I like the smell too. No air freshener needed. It's nice. So I'm going to finish up the rest of the car another time. It's getting late. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, click subscribe on our channel. We are a growing off-road channel that has a lot of content to come, especially once the weather gets nicer here in Washington and Colorado, because we got Andrew down there too with the Tacoma. Make sure to check out our new website we just put up live. It's 4 Seasons Expedition. The Expedition is just a X-P-E-D-I-T-I-O-N. Hopefully I'm spelling that right. .com. 4seasonsexpedition.com. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.